We're Val and Uri, and welcome to our quick van renovation series. After 2020 halted our summer travels, we decided to park ourselves at a family's vacant home in the Appalachian Mountains to reroute our plans. We decided to use this time and space to renovate and update our original van design. Okay, we're gonna add some pops of color. In this video, we'll reveal our new color palette. Are you excited? And some exciting packages we received. Hey, from Russia!
Hey.
Amazon fun. What did Amazon bring us?
Handles.
Ooh, fun part.
These are our new handles.
For the long cabinet.
Yep.
Cool. So
Very
they're gonna
light.
be like, you hold it.
Yeah.
It's gonna be like little pull things.
Yep.
Pulley pulls.
Pulley pulls handles. And our bungee.
And bungee. Cool.
Yeah, it's good size.
Yeah, it's fine.
Oh, these are the
Bungee
hidden magnet
Ah,
latches.
totally redoing the van. It's gonna be more streamlined, more sleek, less bulky, less stuff.
Yep. And
Our little
new.
hidden latches.
So the one thing I need to check with these.
Don't we already have some left over from
But
before?
so this is like a cup holder, like a new style that it's gonna sit in. So this is the one I have to make a hole.
I have to make sure that it
Doesn't go all the way.
doesn't pop through since the board is so thin.
This goes and sits. So this is a little bit larger.
So it's meant for like a 1 inch
3/4.
3/4 inch board.
But it should still do the job. If this was 3/4, it would do the job. But so now we need to figure out a trick. So this is supposed to be self-closing. Oh yeah, see?
Okay.
Look. Ooh, that plastic here closes
Wow,
softly.
that's quite the technology there.
Yeah. Cool. That's
Where's Sadie? Where's the kitty? There she is. There's my little baby. Hello. Okay, we got the walls sanded and cleaned up, wiped down, and now it's time to cover up the floors and lights and everything and start getting glossy. Goodbye matte paint. I'm gonna do the trench shuffle. The trench shake. Have you ever seen that?
what is that?
You missed that episode.
Show me.
Okay, I'll show you the trench shake. I've never done it before, but I hope I make him proud.
Are we making the floor mess?
I hope not. Okay. You need to start over there. Something like that. that. I don't have enough space.
Is it Trent?
Do it all the
That's
way.
how he does.
Yeah, you have to see. His is like really. There you go. Work it. Really good.
Yeah.
But that's how you shake that paint.
I like that.
Trick shake.
It's like milkshake.
Full body paint shake. Yeah, this is the bow shake.
It's like dancing in Hawaii.
Okay, moment of truth. Here it goes. Are you excited?
Yeah.
Love seeing the paint for the first time.
So you're gonna be paint dust orange?
Yeah, that's the darker orange.
Yeah, that's a really huge decision.
Yeah, it's pretty bold.
Hmm.
It's Home Depot orange.
Yeah. We love Home Depot so much, we wanted to put it in our home.
Same color. We were inspired by this paint tray.
Meanwhile, I'm working on a tight space for reorganizing these column looking, spaghetti looking wires. And there was this, back in time, I did it in the very early beginning of the build, and then I couldn't move it. Now that we cut this whole area, I can take that out.
We might have a few bug friends.
A few?
That's what the South in the summer is like. Bugs everywhere. Okay, things are warming up in here. We got all the yellow color. It's like a pumpkin or turmeric squash. Not sure what to call it yet. I like the reddish orange. It's probably not gonna show up correctly on the camera, but I don't love it. And Nuri really doesn't like it. He likes the yellow color here, but he doesn't like this orange. Like, I didn't want like one color for the whole van, so that's why I chose like a darker color of the same shade. I mean a darker shade of the same color. So we might be painting over it and choosing a different color. Don't know what yet, but it could be crazy. It's a really nice color to me, but maybe it just doesn't work for the space. If we're going with spices, I would call this turmeric and this paprika. If we're doing vegetables, squash or pumpkin, and tomato. But we'll see what happens.
I'm gonna be cutting these faces off.
Ooh.
Cutting their faces
Cut
off.
some faces off.
Yeah.
Always wanted to do that.
I wish I could just redo the whole cabinetry there, because I really don't like these drawers, like slides and stuff. could be so much smoother. But anyway, so this
It's
is
alright, yeah.
yeah. Didn't put that in right.
Boy,
Boy.
what have with you? New paint. Hopefully it'll look better than the old paint. Much more tame.
Alright.
Maybe Nuri will be happy for once. Just kidding. From Russia.
So that post office lady just brought
Thanks, post office lady.
our delicious.
We got the heater finally. It's been like a month since we ordered this, right?
Is it month?
Oh yeah, it's been like a month. So
Yeah.
finally, the heater is here.
There's a little damage on
Hopefully
the shipment.
it is well inside.
Let's,
And is this the swivel seat?
and it all came in one mail.
Is this the swivel seat?
Yeah.
All right.
Canada Post.
Nice.
I'm gonna
Everything
open it.
worked out. We were having some trouble with getting things in time. The first swivel seat, we ordered it and it was like 2 weeks and it still wasn't shipped yet. So we contacted the seller and they were like, oh sorry, we don't have any in stock. It's gonna be 2 weeks before we even get them in stock. And we're like, we kinda need it now. So we found another company in Canada that sold the same swivel seat for cheaper and they could ship it the next day. So that's what we did, and we got them in the same day. The swivel seat and the heater. That's the heater, huh?
Yeah, that's the heater.
That's what'll keep us alive this winter.
Yeah, it seems like parts are pretty solid.
That's our ticket to Alaska.
and nice and clean.
In Canada. So we got the gray instead of orange. Nuri likes it a lot better.
Yeah, it was a little too
Gray.
warm.
Yeah, and then we got all of the turmeric color. Nice. I get to peel the paint off. I get to peel the tape off. Peel the paint off. And this is how the seat is coming along. Still looks chaotic.
Yeah,
But
I mean, those cables gonna need lots of love later.
yeah, Nuri just put this wood here. So I guess that's gonna be the bottom.
Mm-hmm.
Where the bottom's gonna be
Yeah.
seats.
Bottom seat.
He's organizing the cables. And then we'll put a top
Yep. Top and then back
and back
sides.
and sides. That's all.
and.
Now it's time to do some touch-ups with white paint and repaint the entire van. Wow, you don't realize how dirty it was until you start painting with new paint. That's the new paint, old paint.
Huh?
Film me.
Film me. Film me.
Film me.
Film me.
And I'll film myself.
Gonna go film me?
Film me.
Film me, please.
I'm on a roll.